Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the Disney eyes or cartoon eyes filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section. So here I have to slide right until beauty. Okay, go in beauty. Now slide up. And remember this image, this is the filter. Tap on it and there you go, you got this. This is some effect once you raise your hand. Okay, so and suppose you are not getting the effect, then what you can do, you can go to discover and you can search for anime cartoon eyes. Okay, now you can see the effect icon, just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. You can tap there and you can use the filter from here likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also, then what you can do, let me go back. Then what you can do, you can visit this website. I'll give in the description box below. And here in this website you will see the filter icon. Just tap on the filter icon and we need to open it with TikTok. So let's open app. Okay, again we are directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this Disney eyes filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.